Papa Blue Shirt here. I'm gonna take this tray that I just got done harvesting. Let's drip the water off it a little bit. It's a tray of basic, and I'm gonna type it upside down in my worm bin over here. Let the worms go to work on that, and we'll plant another tray. I'm gonna replant this tray here. I just emptied it into my worm bin. It was a basic salad mix, and I'm not going to wash it or anything because we put worms in our mix, and so I don't want no bleach or nothing in with my worms. And dirt is dirt, and the worms kept all the mold away for the last grow, and I got no reason to believe that they won't do it for this grow. So. Planted that the same way I planted this one. This one on the right, I put the seeds on the top of the seed starter. This one on the left, I put it underneath. And as you can see, the one on the right has grown so much more. So I thought I'd give this and try the same way. Grand Rapids lettuce, and it does have a little bit of uneven growth, but put a lot of seeds on there. So on this side got a lot of splotchy growth, but we'll see. They say that the lettuce needs a little light to germinate properly, and so I'm trying something new here. Seems to be working really good, although you know I have had pretty good luck in the past putting it underneath, but maybe this will give me more germination. So anyway, that's where we're at. Alrighty, it's Papa Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.